हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम वेलकम माय डियर फ्रेंड। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू। तो एक बार फिर से हाजिर हो गया हूँ आपकी खिदमत में। वेलकम माय डियर फ्रेंड, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। सो सम नेटवर्क इशू, so that's why I again my live stream. Welcome to all of you my dear friend, thank you so much for joining live stream again and again my dear, thank you so much. तो मैं हूं आपका दोस्त एंड होस्ट क्रिप्टो चैंपियन। सो गेट लाइफ की तरफ से न्यू प्रोजेक्ट आया है जो आपकी खिदमत में लेकर हाजिर हो गया हूं दोस्तों। सो मेरे साथ जुड़े रहिएगा, बने रहिएगा ताकि आप सब इस प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में जान सकें। वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू माय डियर फ्रेंड, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। वेलकम हन 16 कजन, वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू। सो गेट लाइफ होल्डर एयर ड्रॉप्स आर्केड प्रोजेक्ट रिव्यू दे रहा हूं दोस्तों आपको। सो मेरे साथ जुड़े रहिएगा एंड तक ताकि आपको प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में ए टू जेड मालूम हो सके। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय लाइव स्ट्रीम। वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू माय डियर, थैंक यू सो मच। वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू। सुसु 03, वेलकम गेट यूजर, वेलकम ऑल गेट यूजर, थैंक यू सो मच माय ऑल डियर फ्रेंड, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. So, Gate will initially list Arcade, Network Arcade, spot trading, and launch hold layer airdrop. You can see, my dear friends. Welcome to all of you, dear friends. Thank you so much. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Welcome all Gate user. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. So, Gate will initially list Arcade Network, Arcade, and offer a limited time hot layer airdrops. User holding at least 1 GT can share 9.600.000 tokens for free. The holder airdrop is exclusive for GT holders. After the raid, Arcade Network Arcade Network Arcade airdrops concluded, no funds will be detected for participation. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome, my dear all friends. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. So holder airdrops. So join now. You can see the join now button. You can see, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome. So this is the official page of Arcade, my dear. Thank you so much. Walaikum assalam, my dear ब्यूटीफुल क्वीन। सो क्रिप्टो क्वीन ने भी हमें ज्वाइन कर लिया है, जो कि हैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा ब्यूटीफुल क्वीन। सो आर्केड ऑफिशियल पेज, टोटल एयर ड्रॉप्स इज 9.600.000 आर्केड। थैंक यू सो मच। वालेकुम अस्सलाम, हाउ आर यू, कैसी हैं आप? सो एवरेज ABG Horley reward cap is 6 point Horley holding 6.89. This is my holding GT, my dear friends. You can see, my dear. Thank you so much. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मैं ठीक हूँ, बहुत ही बेहतरीन। तो आप कैसी हैं? क्रिप्टो क्वीन individual participation cap 5000 GT. You can see, my dear friends. So airdrop calculating. So I have already calculated. So 4 hours for this end. So you can join now and collect the your rewards claim free. So increase GT within individual participation cap. More GT you have, the more airdrops you will receive. So you can see my balance, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So 6.86. Welcome Sohangi, welcome dear. Thank you so much. So this is my balance 6.89 GT. So I have 8.9 GT. I have already welcome Asif Alam 143. Welcome Dharam Singh. So project introductions. The Arcade network is a decentralized blockchain refunding media, entertainment and gaming. Arcade is bringing digital entertainment on chain in alliance with Revolving Games RG, a multi studio game publisher whose titles are already live on the App Store and Google Play with more media partners to follow with 7 lakh plus install across launch 4 launch titles, 4,000 plus playing customers across the gaming ecosystem, and 50 million plus total capital rise from traditional funding and community and spend across infrastructure and in-game revenue. Arcade is set to the power its next phase of the growth thought gaming publishing. थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो कोइन। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, अल्लाह पाक का शुक्र है, मैं भी ठीक हूँ। सो माशाल्लाह, बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है आपको ठीक देख कर। थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो कोइन। तो वेलकम वाइट शेडो, वेलकम काया 07। So Amamara founders, Amamara co-CEO, Sid CEO, Cheyenne president of Studio, producer of collaborated with and for revenue gaming studio, including EA, Tokens, Take-Two, 2K, Supplier, and the others. The have also work on icon game including Fruit Ninja, Sims 3, Staking Cricket, Mafia and others. So technical overview built on high performance blockchain infrastructure by powered by Arbitrum, Caldera and the Easy Flow the race. Arcade network ensure that low cost and reconnaissance gameplay with no middleware and centralized control. Thank you so much for the heart, my dear. For my heart for you, my dear. Thank you so much for joining and loving this also. This is for you, my dear flower and heart. So, from discovering new games and activity reward to the reward powering degenerations, infrastructure, view, arcade, nodes, arcade fuels, every layer of the new players powered pillar. Welcome, Skyfall. Welcome, my dear. Thank you so much. Angela, welcome to join my live stream again and again. Why welcome? So highlight vision, you can see the highlight vision, my dear. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. So arcade not report. This is the arcade not reward, my dear. Welcome. No time. 37% release. 2.6 at TGA 0-month clip. 37-month visiting. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome, my dear. Thank you so much. White Shadow. Welcome. So advisor 4%, 0-month clip, 12% visiting. Investor preset 5%, 12-month clip, 12-month visiting investor. Bridge 0.5 release, 50% at TGA, 12% month clip, 0-month visiting investor. SID 6.9 release, 10% at TGA, 6-month clips, 12-month visiting investors. So SID in 6 strategic 0.4 release 5% and TGA 6-month clip, 12-month visiting team, 12-month clip, 24-month visiting airdrops and players. Innovative 19.38% release, 53.56% and TGA 0-month clip, 6-month visiting. Launch contribute 4.67%, release 100% and TGA tragedy 3.850 month clip, 48-month visiting ecosystem growth 2.95 release, 48-month visiting liquidity 3% releasing 100% at TGA. Highlight vision. So Arcade, the Arcade network is the canalization blockchain refunding media, entertainment and gaming. Arcade is bringing digital entertainment on chain in alliance with revolving game RG, a multi-studio game publisher whose titles are already live on the App Store and Gameplay. With more media partners to follow with the 7 lakh plus install across 4 launch title 40,000 plus playing customers across the gaming ecosystem and 50% million total capital rising from traditional funding and community spends across influencers and in-game revenue. Arcade is set to power its next phase of growth thought game publishing. So welcome Museum, welcome Gate user, welcome Dharma Singh, welcome Kaya. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you. Thank you so much. So this is a token again menu. Token and mu. The Arcade token acts the big designed get token fluctuating transactions on the Arcade chain. Arcade is utility is expected to extend into server key across particles, improving governance fee management and the innovations maintenance. Arcade will also act to the payment management with the Arcade ecosystem expert and the ACE payments for games in game items in game stores and integrated marketplace. So risk reminder, the trading market for the currency. Welcome to join my live stream. So the market risk reminder is the trading market is currency may experience significant fluctuation due to the technical, legal, regulatory and the other factors. Please thoroughly understand the project details. Welcome Shining Moon, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. And contact signifies market research. Before participating, Gate.io cannot guarantee that the currency will be listed on the exchange. The final by participating in the project, you accept an airdrop under condition. Welcome Shining Star. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Okay. So this is a FAQ, my dear, for the holder airdrop projects. How to participate in the holder airdrop? As long as your GT holding Gate account is no less than one, you can participate and receive airdrops without locking or staking GT. So which account GT holding will be including in the calculation? Total GT holding is unified account, spot account, isolated margin account, copy trading account, boots account, financial accounts and the payment accounts. However, I am good, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Shining Moon, welcome to join my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. I am good, and how are you, Shining Moon? Thank you so much for joining live stream. तो शाइनिंग मून कहाँ हैं आप बिजी? कल आप नजर ही नहीं आए लाइव स्ट्रीम पर भी और अपनी ना हमारी लाइव स्ट्रीम पर. So number third, how is your airdrops amounts calculated? So once you join the project, the system will track you GT holding, taking multiple random snapshot every hour to calculate it you every average holding. Your final reward is based on your average holding during the entire project period. If you average holding are below 1 GT, you will not receive any rewards. Final token received. Your average holding, all participants average holding, total airdrops amounts. So next one is what is per GT? So per GT is estimate value indicated the number of airdrop tokens you cloud receive by participating in the holder airdrop project will 1 GT and the holding in until the end of the project. Please note that per GT will change based on the total airdrops amounts and the GT holding of all participants and the is update only. Welcome Crypto MacBook, welcome Crypto Y, my dear. Welcome to join my live stream. Thank you so much. Good to see you, Shining Moon again. Welcome, Lara Queen. Thank you so much, my dear Crypto Y and Crypto MacBook for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you. So next one is why Are my holding counted differently across projects? The system uses randomly snapshot to calculate your average holding. Depending on when you are join each project, the calculate average holding may vary is theory. If your holding amounts remaining constant, your average holding should be the same across all projects you participate in. So welcome, thank you so much, my dear Crypto I. Thank you so much for joining. Welcome to all of you. Make 20 money. Welcome. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome to join my live stream. So what is the individual participation cap? So different projects have different individual participation limits. You can check the digit details page on the events announcement for more information. Can I participate in multi-project at the same time? You can participate in multi-project. Thank you so much, Crypto Eye and Shining Moon. Thank you so much for joining and comments me. So you can I participate in multi-project at the same time? You can participate multi-project. So how will the airdrop rewards be distributed? The airdrops will be calculated and the distributed within the 1 hour after the project, and you can check it anytime in Launchpool. Hold their airdrop participation history. Thank you so much, Shining Moon. Thank you so much for all of you, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So now go to the official page. You can see my balance on GT. So this is the official website, the beautiful website you can see. So this is opening of websites. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much, my all gate user and my dear friends. Thank you so much for joining live stream. तो शाइनिंग मून बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है आपको लाइव स्ट्रीम में वापसी देख के। कल आप कहाँ बिजी थी? थैंक यू सो मच, वेलकम, थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो आई फॉर सेंड मी अ गिफ्ट. So you complete your task. Thank you so much. So this is our websites. You can see, my dear. So now number one, I will show the trailer of this project. You can see the beautiful trailer of this project. Welcome all gate user. Welcome Shining Moon, Crypto Eye and Crypto MacBook. Thank you so much, Crypto MacBook, for joining live stream. How are you, Crypto MacBook? Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you. So you can see the trailer of this project. You can see, my dear friend. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Welcome, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. This is our trailer, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome, Leaning. Welcome, gate user. Welcome, Shining Star, for joining my live stream. So you can see, my dear. So this is a project. So I will show the trailer. So now go to the about. So Arcade puts digital ownership and control in the hands of gamers. For decided, gamers have periods, passion, time, skill, and more recent many into the game with a title to the show assets from expense, achievements, and in-game assets. Thanks to the blockchain technology, Arcade aims to the United Gamers worldwide view and interoperability tokens allowing user to the across value in game and move side value to the another game within the revolving games publisher ecosystem and arcade chain arcade fluctuating and degenerations economic driving by the community contributed and the gamers. The arcade foundations, you can see the arcade foundation, my dear. Thank you so much. The Arcade Foundation has established to the focus on the long-term vision of the degeneration games and empowering game. The Arcade Foundation integrate to the bringing the vision of the live thoughtly community driving governance, the key technology service and content partnership driving by its boards, strategic planning, more events, the purpose are care. Thank you so much, Shining Moon, for the beautiful comments. Good work. Thank you so much. So, and contract partnership driving the board's strategic planning macros. The purpose arcade token is accepted. The fluctuate governors of the power game backbone, which by believe the bringing gamers into the center of the ecosystem. We are confident that all these items support the mission to realize our shared vision of the demonetization and the inclusive future of gaming. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you. So this is about for the projects, my dear. So thank you so much for joining live stream. So now go to the next one, revolving games. So you can see the beautiful sites again and new sites. Revolving game. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So Arcade chains no token, the backbone of revolving gamers ecosystem powered by players. So this is the over games, multi-genre generic games you can't stop playing. The beginning of ever selling gamer ecosystem. This is a three games of beautiful game. Thank you so much. Hunter teacher. So head cleaning, Skyborners, War of Nova. So this is a three beautiful games. Welcome Hunter teacher. Thank you so much again, my dear, for joining my live stream. So all games, thank you so much. Revolving games in a Web3 AAA blockchain. Games company RG team, consonants of the industry, veterans who have built multiplayer criticals and the commercial successful social game that have generated calculated over 2.6 billion in lifetime revenue. Welcome, no time. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome Petra. Welcome P2 Virtual. Welcome Dapper. Welcome Labs. Welcome Kentic. Welcome Summer. So join and work and from anywhere. Passionate about Web3 gaming. Express your interest. Today is the current Vection Blow. Thank you so much for joining live stream, my dear. Thank you so much, my dear, for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you. Very nice. Thank you so much, my dear. You also very nice, Shining Moon. Thank you so much for joining live stream. गुड टू सी यू अगेन। तो बहुत ही खुशी होती है आपको अपनी लाइव स्ट्रीम में देख के। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग एंड ब्यूटीफुल कमेंट्स। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर लिंक। सो थैंक यू so much for joining. So apply now. You can see the apply now. So this is apply. So second one is game. Games is over games. You can see, my dear, revolving gamers. So revolving gamers is a publishing powerhouse hell-bent on building IP driving games you can't stop playing, discovers or growing games library below. Below, head chilling, professors casing and bending spark weights of the acrom. Explorers Institutional have made the incredible discover head chilling or opportunity or across all Valmia. This strategic treasure eliminated creatures and all fully untapped and the potential and the professor needs you. Thank you so much Crypto Princess for joining live stream. So आप भी बहुत जल्दी आ गई हैं. Thank you so much. Training them and the customizing they are happening with the ever hatching your nature. You will uncover more about this fascinating culture. Will you will the one of the rise and true legends. So visit the game site. So second was is Skyborner Legacy. Skyborner Phoenix fights. Immerse yourself in the fantastic worlds of the Warrior. In the social strategic game explorer, untapped lands, defines, concerts, futures, and discover mythic treasure as you upscale your character in the craftsmanship and the comeback. So this is the second one. Now the third one. Thank you so much. Crypto coin one again. No, my dear. Thank you so much. Welcome. Crypto Miss and welcome Crypto Queen. Thank you so much for joining live stream again and again. Thank you so much for my all dear friend. Thank you so much, Crypto Kid. So no need for sorry. War of Nova. So third one is War of Nova. This is a beautiful third game. So the ultimate 4x strategy. Welcome, my dear. Thank you so much. Game that's built to the keep you home and is the action. You will alive into the massive battles, collected, powerful, united, and experience the thrill of the conversation. Will keep the components fresh and the fresh with an ever-evolving meta and the strong financials playing in hedging. Gameplay is generated. Get ready to the dynamic and the outsmart you opportunity appointments in a game where skill truly matters. So this is a third three games. So I will tell about the three new games. So about us, you can see the about us, my dear. So you can see get welcome. Thank you so much, Crypto Queen again. Welcome to join my live stream, Crypto Princess, Shining Moon, Shining Star, Crypto I and Crypto Paco. Thank you so much for all of you. So who we are? Thank you so much. Revolving Gamers Games is a publishing powerhouse, boasting two independent gaming studios, a 150 plus team of Cygnus Gaming veterans and the household and investors, including Rockstar Games founders Dan Houser. So our vision is revolving. Gamers is built as the scalable by the design gaming ecosystem, enabling players empowerment view digital ownership for the times and scale invest in the game. And as we continue the build over Web3, rocket ship depend of the play community building and the player support will be always be at the heart of the view. So welcome to all of you, my dear friend, and thank you so much for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of. So welcome the team. You can see the team, my dear friends. The RJ team calculated of industry veterans who have built multiple critical acclimate and the commercial successful social game that have generated calculative over 3 billion in lifetime revenue. So you can see the team. This is a beautiful team, my dear, for this. Welcome to join my live stream. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome. Thank you so much, Shining Moon, Crypto Queen, and Crypto Princess. Thank you so much again and again. Thank you so much. Good work. Good luck. Thank you so much. You also, my dear Shining Moon and Crypto Princess and Crypto Queen. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So this is a team. You can see the beautiful team. So CEO, founder and CEO. You can see Amamar Zameen and Saad Zameen, co-founder and co-CEO. So Sayan Zameen, co-founder and president of the Worldwide Institute. Edwin Shaw, VP Product and Design. Martin Talbot, VIP, VP Product. Good morning. Welcome, walk and see. Welcome and thank you so much for all of you, my dear. Welcome, Kitima. Welcome, Crypto Queen. Again, welcome. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you, all my dear. So, Christopher Argenton, Director of Product, Vicky Rotely, Escape Design Directors, Atif Gulzar, VP Engineer, Asia Studio, Ali Misbah, VP and Software Archives, Boris Gifted, Head of the Engineering. So Mona Shuja, Principal Software Engineer, Eric Cho, Director of the Marketing, Kalam Melio, Marketing Managers, Badley Shadow, Senior Producers, Leggy, Medular, Principal Art Directors. So Leo, Talento, Art Directors, Talent, and Graphic Designer Leads. So this is all of teams. You can see the beautiful teams of this project. So I will tell about the my dear friends Gate Live, Code Layer, Airdrop, Arcades, Project Review. So thank you so much for all of you join my live stream. So join us. We are always on the lookout for the amazing talents. Get in touch or see our open positions. So you can see the my dear full stock web developers Marin. So full time Hyper Lahore PK. So this is a lead 3D article project Novo full-time Hyper Lahore PK. So Unitely engineer full-time Hyper Lahore PK. So web article full-time Hyper Lahore PK. So you can apply as QA engineer full-time Hyper Lahore PK. United engineer remote Canada. Full-time 3D artist, Project Novo full-time, Hyper Lahore PK, and Senior Developers Engineer full-time, Hyper Lahore PK. So web developers full-time, Hyper Lahore PK. So don't see a position that suits you, get the touch anywhere. We are the always on the lookout of the expectations, talents, careers, revolving. Welcome Arcade user, welcome Ming Chong. Thank you so much. So now go to the next one, next fusion. So ecosystem, token avenue, tokenomics, ARCADS tokens. The ARCADS token act as the design gas token fluctuating. Thank you so much, Crypto Princess. Welcome, Discovery. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much again and again. So ARCAD chain, the ARCAD utility expected to the extent into the server key across partitional employing. Thank you so much, Crypto Princess. Welcome, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Discovery, how are you, my dear? Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining live stream, Crypto Princess and Discovery. Welcome, my dear Discovery. So ARCAD utility expected to the extend into the server key across professionals, impoverishing governors, fee management, innovation management. So welcome, Crypto Bangkok. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. So how are you, Crypto Discovery and Crypto Bangkok? Crypto Princess. ARCAD will also act as the payment ventures within the ARCAD ecosystem, expect the payment for games, in-game items, in-game stories, integrated markets. So allowing in the game sync ARCAD will be the allow user to seamless move valuation across for the time and the skill investment into a game the another introducing interoperability with every new game developments on the ARCAD chain token use cases increasing and the bringing future value to the ARCADs ecosystem, giving the above the ARCADs tokenomics their strategical design to the rewards network contribute with the wiping 62% of ARCADs bringing distribution to the NFT holders. Welcome. Thank you so much, Crypto MacBook, Crypto Princess, for joining my live stream and for the. Thank you so much for dear. Thank you so much. Good to see you, my dear. Discovery, my dear. बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है जब आप लाइव स्ट्रीम पर आती हैं. थैंक यू सो मच, डिस्कवरी, joining live stream and beautiful comments, my dear. Thank you so much for all of you. So next one is nodes. Notice. So arcade notice. Community on. Operator arcades. Nodes are the integrated to the empower. The arcade chain by the monitoring chain integrated the arcade nodes network is the exhibitors to the play role in the economics and the rewards mechanisms of the arcade ecosystem as well as critical chain and the decentralization network. Operators. In the initial phase of the network launch, the node verifier foundations and begin to the enabling empowering code to the blockchain principles of the decentralization, security, and the transparency. As the arcade chains grows, so the rules to the arcade nodes from the batching in game transactions to the decentralization, computers compatibility, and the game server hosting 15% of the arcade's token pool will be allocated to the arcades, nodes operators who contribute their data computer records to the support the arcades network and gaming ecosystem. So now go to the next one, my dear. This is the third one is chain. Arcade chain in its most. Thank you so much, Discovery, my brother, and Crypto MacBook. Thank you so much for joining and the beautiful comments again and again, my beautiful friends. In its most basic from the arcade chain is the secure, scalable, and the economics infrastructure that the support the flow of the value within the arcade ecosystem. Built on the orbiting, the arcade chain is a lightning fast L3 indicated to the power the entire arcade's ecosystem from mobile hits War of Nova to future titles. The arcade chain is just refunding the gamers relationship into the provide the ultimate toolkit to the support Web3 developers, allowing team to the bring on new the exacting IPS into the arcade ecosystem, low fees and real ownership and the tool for device make the arcade chain to the backbone of the 100 plus game future. The instant just influencer is the evolutions of the blockchain gaming. Thank you so much, my dear Crypto MacBook and the Discovery. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Welcome to all of you, my dear. So now go to the next one is games overview. You can see the overview. Arcade ecosystem. In aligning with the revolving game, the force behind the 5-star apply and the Google Play hit War of the Nova. The arcade ecosystem is scalable on-chain games, library from the flagship titles to the core published game, every launch on the Assets Arcade chain, growing the degeneration's future of the gaming with the arcade at the core. Thank you so much, my dear Shining Moon again. Good, good. Thank you so much for joining. And the beautiful comments, my dear. Thank you so much, Shining. Thank you so much. So, disability, incapability, and the gamer governors to the make arcade ecosystem and pioneering platforms where players are rewarding for the time and skill investments as we bringing the arcade network online in phase players powered by nodes are included maintenance are secure and the degeneration network with an interoperability gaming arcade token fluctuating course players solutions come from one game discover another move value, shameless thought, the ecosystem. This is the arcade vision. So welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream Crypto Princess and Shining Moon and Discover. Welcome, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome, my dear. Welcome to all of you. War of Nova. So this is our next one trailer of this. You can see, my dear. You can see, my dear. So this is the next one trailer of this one. See, my dear. You can see the beautiful project of Nova. This is a trailer. You can see, my dear. So launching my aid, pre-register to claim exclusive rewards. So War of Nova is a 4-axis strategic set is visit specific themes. Come back, Crypto Macbook. Welcome, Shining Moon. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Discovery. What happened, Discovery, my dear? Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to join. So the core context revolves around the trailer's battles of the internal battle of the supreme over the galaxy, where players more strategic expand their reach and dynamic revolve fluctuates. As you reach your force into the uncharged region of the space, you will need to the manage recurse, outmaneuvers options, and the build an unstoppable empire developments and the publication by revolving games. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to join my live stream. So now go to the next one. Is welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much. So Skyborn Legacy. So this is again trailer. You can see, my dear. So this is the Arcade again trailer, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. So this is a beautiful. So third one is Skyborn Legacy. So this is a Skyborn Legacy. You can see, my dear. Thank you so much. Repro Princess Town Building. So you can see the trailers. You can see the my. Thank you so much for joining. So this is your gift, my dear. Thank you so much for joining and commentary. Good work. Thank you so much. So this is the trailer, my dear. So you can see on this watch and go to the. This is a game, beautiful game, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much. Welcome, Skyfall. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Building upgrades. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Skyfall. Thank you so much. Goldilocks Merchants. Welcome to all of you. Skyfall, James, Benny. Welcome, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream.
So many secrets to discover. There's no
Welcome
telling
to
what you
all of
might
you, my
find.
dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome
Next
to all
up,
of you,
we
my
have a
dear.
sneak
Thank you
peek of
so much
Adventure Islands, a feature
for
core to your
joining live
experience
stream.
in Phoenix
Welcome
Flight.
to all of you, my dear. Thank
When
you
you're
so
ready
much.
to set sail, you can speak with Captain
Welcome to
Sky
all of
and
you, my
begin
dear.
your
Thank you
adventure.
so much. So this is a
Sky
beautiful
charts are
trailer
your
of
key
this
to traversing the Shattered
projects.
Isles,
You can see,
and as
my
you
dear.
earn and discover them,
Thank you
you'll
so
be able
much
to
for
chart
joining
courses
my
with
live
Captain
stream.
Sky to visit a vast variety of
Welcome to
islands.
all of you, my dear. Thank you so much.
Alpine and Forest are just two of the many biomes you can explore,
Welcome to all of you, my
each
dear.
with their
Thank you
own
so much
creatures,
for joining
fauna,
and
resources,
promise me, my
and
dear.
secrets
Thank
to
you so
uncover.
much. The Princess James
With
Bakes
so many
and
creatures to encounter during your adventures, we're really
so this is a
excited for you
beautiful
to meet
trailer. You
them.
can see the art trailer, my dear friend. Thank you
Combat
so
is
much
one of
for
our core
joining live
features.
stream.
We're working on an
Welcome
assortment
to
of
all of you,
weapons
my
and
dear.
equipment
So
that you can
welcome,
craft and wield,
Shining Star,
each
my
with their
dear.
own
Thank you so
skills
much
and
for
stats
joining
to use in
live stream.
combat.
Welcome to all of you,
Phoenix
my dear.
Flight
Thank you
features a
so
full
much
host
for
of
joining.
minions, henchmen, and even bosses for you to discover and
So
defeat.
this is a
This is
beautiful
just a
trailer.
teaser of
You
what's
can
in
see
store.
again and again, my
We have
dear.
so
Thank you
much
so
that we
much.
can't wait to show you over the coming
So welcome
months.
to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome, welcome.
Make sure to follow our socials for more updates.
So much for joining live stream. Welcome Kitima, welcome once again, my dear. Welcome, my dear. Thank you so much. So now go to the next one is you can watch the trailer. So embark on a journey thought the estimate it shows the vibrancy of world filled the fluctuating excellent and the magical advances characters and the colorful banks events purely components and the uncover. Welcome to join my live stream. Thank you so much again, Crypto Princess. Thank you so much, Shining Star, for the gifts. So, characters, expedition to the carefully balanced beyond to the curly components and the uncover the devil explores the binary balance with the vibrant artist style and the playful optimism and the phoenix flights in the perfect for the players who love adventure for the gravity and the touch of the magic rub your ear gear of the ready to the shore. थैंक यू सो मच। सो क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस ने शाइनिंग स्टार को वेलकम किया है। सो शाइनिंग स्टार फाइनली आज हमारी लिस्ट में बहुत दिनों बाद नज़र आ ही गए। तो शाइनिंग स्टार आए और हमारी स्क्रीन को स्टार्स लग गए। सो साइड क्विट्स यू कैन सी द beautiful graphs and websites farmer are shared by the completed quits track quits points get reward by the R cards connect X view FAQ having traveling logging the robot shots the revolving games. So this is the so now go to the last one as the marketplace and NFT collections. So welcome Sita, welcome gate user, thank you so much for joining live stream. Revolving games. Developing teams to the deliver next generation gaming experience built with the Skybound legacy backed by the Anemica bonds. Then Hanners, Petra. So you can see the beautiful graphs of the NFT market collection. This is the all collection. You can see the collection of this beautiful website. So welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So now go to the white paper of this projects, my dear. This is the overview and the white paper of this website. So the OpenSea API helps developers build the new experience using NFT and the over marketplace. Data we provide the set endpoints that enable you pack the area 721 and ERC 1155 token media data as well as other core. Thank you so much Crypt Shining Star, बहुत ही खूबसूरत कमेंट्स आ रहे हैं आपके। Thank you so much for joining. And points because we believe in compatibility in Web3 and wants to extend across the data to anyone that wishing to the build on the top and the above. If you use the data will require that you will join. This is the over mission and the build as the compatibility and the degeneration Web3 ecosystem by the representing and the offering as employment wrapper level of across to the data thoughts and the API and complaining with our terms and condition. Welcome back Crypto Princess. Thank you so much for joining and like my dear. Thank you so much. So दोस्तों API FAQ, you can see the API FAQ. How can I obtain an API key? Please follow the instructions here. Does OpenSea have a SDK? Yes, our SDK can be found here. You can click the here. Can I connect OpenSea about the API? Yes, you can reach out of the developers channels and Discord or emails as the API OpenSea.com.io. वेलकम बैक क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस, वेलकम बैक। सो मेरे दोस्त सारे लस्सी पी रहे हैं। सो इस वजह से बेहोश हो गए, इसलिए कोई कमेंट्स में नज़र नहीं आ रहा। रिक्वेस्टिंग API keys. So the next one and you can your API keys allowing you can access the stream API and the all V1, V2 endpoints. You can use your API key or maintenance, but the testnet endpoints do not require key. Thank you so much. क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस कमेंट्स किया है आपके लिए, थैंक यू सो मच। लेकिन मुझे नज़र नहीं आ रहा, ये इनविजिबल कमेंट्स मुझे बहुत प्यारे लगते हैं जो मुझे नज़र नहीं आते। थैंक यू सो मच। रिसीव नहीं हुआ, नहीं हुआ क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस। हाउ डू आई गेट एन एपीआई की? फॉलो दिस द स्टेप्स टू द रिक्वेस्ट एन एपीआई की। ईच अमाउंट्स अकाउंट्स कैन जनरेटेड अप टू देयर एपीआई की। सो क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस किसी को भी नज़र नहीं आ रहे आपके कमेंट्स। वेलकम। सो लस्सी हमने पी है लेकिन कमेंट्स आपके नज़र नहीं आ रहे। थैंक यू सो मच। नंबर 1 ऑन OpenSea IO over the left hand tablets and the click settings and then developments. So number second is, if you haven't verified your emails yet, click go to the profile to the end and the verify your emails. Anonymized email address are not supported at the this time. Thank you so much Shining Moon. So Shining Moon के कमेंट्स मुझे नज़र आ रहे हैं, ब्यूटीफुल कमेंट्स कर रही हैं Shining Moon. Thank you so much Shining Moon. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So this is a picture, you can see the picture. Developers access of the API to the displays buy and the sale NFT is your product. Verify your email to the get access. Critical API updates will be the sent to the email in the future. So thank you so much for the Lassi Shining Star. View API docs. Go to the profile. Display welcome. Display NFT is your apps. Creative NFT data imaging and the other information from both of the end of chain secure. Buy and sales NFT easily reserves and the create OpenSea listing and the offers. NFT market insights is get real and the historical data on NFT collection and the OS marketplace. So welcome to all of you my dear friends. So you can see the Gate Live new projects are cats. After number 3, after verifying your email address, navigates back to the development section and the click get access. So not crying crypto princess, आ जाए लस्सी पी ले। So again developers across API. So crypto I welcome, thank you so much for joining again Charpai, thank you so much. So API to display buy and the sale NFT and your product. So API access ready to the start building. View API docs again. You can see the again. So NFT and the display. So again. So thank you so much. Welcome to joining my live stream. Welcome my dear. So number 3, fill out over organization display next websites and the integrate use of the OpenSea. Thank you so much. थैंक यू सो मच। मैसेज गायब हो गए क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस के। तो क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस ऐनक वाली जिनकी जिन पतोड़ी बनी हुई हैं उनके मैसेज गायब हो रहे हैं। गेट एक्सेस टेल अस अबाउट हाउ यू इंटरेक्ट विद द यूज द OpenSea API organization names, organization websites. If you don't have the websites linked to your Git app, explorers वेलकम माय डियर, थैंक यू सो मच। सो गेट लाइव वालों की तरफ से मुझे बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल वो मिला है। सो दोस्तों मेरी पोस्ट को जाके लाइक करें जल्दी से। इंटीग्रेटेड यूज ऑफ द OpenSea API, चूज ऑफ द कैटेगरी, थैंक यू सो मच। क्लिक द सबमिट्स। नंबर 5, फुल ऑफ द रिकैप्चर you will direct bank of the development section in your account settings. Click the create keys. Number 7, UK and the click creators. Thank you so much my dear. Create API key. This name is for your own the key management. So key name is add the key name. You will able to the your API and the keys expression that the you your API, including in the enters of your request in the X API key fields developments across and the API developments display before the sale NFT your products, your API key. If you can access developers, you can see the websites tab and after going the thought the following your sale and the message strategic. You can access the developments, have the and the signups, you file the sub tickers. Thank you so much, make 20 money, welcome all gate user and Kitima, welcome no name my dear. Thank you so much for joining and receive the all gates my dear rate limits. We put rate limits in the place to the product or platforms and the improving the availability of our API. If you had rate limits when the fluctuating marketing data will reminded check in your call later partners and using the same API and the V2 endpoints to the make fewer sales. Select user they are eligible for the rare limits increase. You can apply for the rate limits increase using this from existing X API keys. If you already have a API keys, if what show is this the development sections of your profile, but is the web function as the normal United further noted. So expiring keys. If your API keys expiring soon with the reminders applying for a new keys, replacing your old keys the before and the experience and the dedicated the provides one more information for product updates to the OpenCI API. You can check over change log or follow us on the X. If you have questions, that's the answer at the development stocks. You can join the discards and the post in the dev support channel. So now go to the next one, my dear friend. This is the next one is analyze API. So you can say and the analyze endpoints. So get collect states. You can see the get collect states. So this is the states of collects and this is the all of unique. So next one is get events. So gets events get a list of the event based on the before and the after time clamps. So this is the after members you can see the so now get events. So next one is the gets events by accounts. So gets events by accounts are the gets list of the event for the accounts. You can see the again the next one you can see the graph of this gets event by collections. So next one is the collections. You can see the collection. So all collection is here my dear. So you can see the all collections. So welcome to join my live stream Shining Star and Shining Moon. Thank you so much. Gets events by NFT. Thank you so much Shining Moons. I hope you enjoy the live stream and my project. Thank you so much for joining live stream again and again. So this is the events by NFT. You can see the NFT. This is an NFT. So the NFT endpoints. So next one is NFT endpoints. So gets accounts. You can see the gets accounts. So this is a gets collections. And the next one is gets collections, gets contracts. So this is all of you my dear. So I will show you this is all products. So get NFTs. So get NFT by accounts and get NFTs by collections and gets NFT by the contracts, gets payments by tokens. So this is all payments. You can see that the gets traded. So refresh NFT metadata. So you can see the metadata. So now go to the OpenSea markets and points. So this is a bids criteria offers. So this is a offer of new. So cancel orders. Next one is cancel orders. You can see the cancel orders. This is all ones. Creates criteria offers. Create item offers. Create listings. So full listings. Full offers. Get at listing by collections. Get all offers. Get best listing by NFT. Get by best listing by collections. Get best offer by NFT. Get collection offers. So get item offers. The active build individual offer that does not including criteria offers. You can see the all of. So get listing. This is the listing points and the get orders. You can see the all of gets trade offers. So open API definitions. This is the open API definitions. The open API definitions for the B2 OpenSea API endpoints. The API is now open API components. This allows user to download the open API, paste the imports into the Postman collection and the generated a client library in the many popular language firmwares including governance Java, Platiums, Ruts, and Suites. You can see the Java collection OPI open definitions. This is a lookage. You can see my dear. So now go to the extreme API overview. You can see the coding of this open API definitions. So stream API overview. So now you can see my dear. So thank you so much my dear crypto princess. God bless. May Allah God bless. Thank you so much again for the beautiful comments. So I have sent you a gift. So thank you so much. So this is the overview. You can see the overview. The OpenSea. Amin my dear. Thank you so much for the best wishes. Thank you so much. So the OpenSea Stream API web sockets based service that enables developers to the receive events as the occurs, ensuring that your service the most up to the digital details without the needs to the consoling pull for the updates with the Stream API. Thank you so much, my dear, for the wishes. Congratulations. Thank you so much. You can see the post, my dear. So also comments is. So thank you so much. Due to the updates within the Stream API use service subscription. Thank you so much for the OBS, my dear. Thank you so much for joining. So receive a range of the different types of the events, either globing or the epic specific collection, and that you are interested in. The Stream API currently support for the following sets of the events: item listing, an item listing for sale on the OpenSea market. Thank you so much, my dear, for the wishes. So item listing, item source, you can see, my dear, this is the item source, sales of the item and the OpenSea marketplace. Item transfer, transfer of the n items between wallets. Item meta, data updates related of the meta providing in token URL for the n item. Item collected collection and the orders the OpenSea market. Item receive offer of the receive and the item SEA marketplace. Item receive offer receive on the item on the OpenSea marketplace. Item receive bid the bid receive on the item on the OpenSea marketplace. Collection offer and a collection trade offer on the items view. Thank you so much for joining. Collection over trade over of the all item with the special. Thank you so much for the wishes again, my dear. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much. So trade offer all items with the specific trade. With the collection order interviews invalidates, the orders are new invalids and can now with the bids order invalidate. The order which the previously individual invalidity can you once again build it. Thank you so much crypto princess. विशेष के लिए थैंक यू सो मच। तो मेरे बाकी दोस्त किधर गायब हैं, मुझे नज़र नहीं आ रहे। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू माय डियर। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू। सो व्हाट कैन यू बिल्ड with Stream API? The real-time push nature of the Stream API enables the vector of the user use cases that's the real of dynamic up to the date information. Here are some explanations of the service that can be the built using the Stream API. So push notification developers can create a push notification service in the product that provides their use with timeless updates and the events happen on NFT and the OpenSea marketplace. Active fees. Thank you so much Crypto MacBook for the comments. Developers can build the activity feeds into the product that provides their user with the timelines of the events and the happens on the NFT and the OpenSea marketplace. Thank you so much Shining Moon and Crypto MacBook. Thank you so much for joining. Real-time data monitoring. Developers can create real-time dashboards that enable people the track of the trade key metric etc as a part of an analyze service. Ownership. Thank you so much my dear. Developers can automate developments and the change in ownership of the NFT in the person can connected wallet. Thank you so much my dear. Shining Moon and Crypto MacBook for the beautiful comments. Thank you so much my dear. Thank you so much my dear. Thank you so much for running again and again. So ownership change. You can see the ownership change my dear. So developers can automatic refunds and the change is ownerships of an NFT in a person's Connect wallets. Metadata updates. Developers can ensure that metadata is always up to date immediately. Get starting. We have created a JavaScript SDK to help developers manage connection and individual subscription to the Stream API and the versions. Even to the get start to remind you that you install your Stream SDK and the following the setup institution and the redeem client setup or SDK including and the client the management attention calculations even subscription on the Stream API. Create a new clients in your project. You can create as the follow. Welcome. Thank you so much my dear Crypto MacBook. So this is a Java project. You can see the Java coding. You can see the Java coding. This is a Java coding. Authentication with the Stream API. User the same API key or the other API. If you don't have API key, please request one. The client also support the following option configurations. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome to again Crypto Princess. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So this Stream API is available for the both maintenance and the testnet network. So Shining Star ज्वाइन नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि उनका मोबाइल ख़राब हो गया है इस वजह से. So thank you so much for all of you my dear Crypto MacBook and the Crypto Princess. So now go to the final remarks for the projects. So airdrop details. Holder airdrops ends times July 9, 2025 11 UTC. So this is of your time for joining and my dear collect the rewards. Total supply 9.600.600.000 arcade unlocking rules 100% unlock. Trading start July 9 2025 and 13 UTC. So you can see the this time trading pair RCAD USDT participation rule, complete identity verification, and at least vote but 1 GT. You can share the total rewards pool based on your GT holding snapshots. Preparation the minimize maximus participation limit for the each user this event in 5,000. How to claim the airdrops, login and the complete identity verification. Go to the launch pool and selected holder airdrops. Hold at least 1 GT claim. Join now. Holder airdrops FAQ. So about arcades, network arcades. The arcades network is a decentralized blockchain representing media entertainment. Thank you so much, my dear Hiba. Finally, Hiba ने भी जाते जाते लाइव स्ट्रीम को ज्वाइन कर लिया. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम. वेलकम हिबा. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम. वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू. So arcade is a bringing digital entertainment on chain in allying with the revolving game RG, a multi-studio game. Publishers with the titles are already loving on the App Store and the Google Play with the more media partners. To follow the within the 7 lakh plus install across 4 launch titles, 14,000 players, customers across the gaming ecosystem, and the 50 million plus total competitors rising from the traditional foundations, and the community spends across the infrastructure and the in-game revenue. Arcades in the set of the power its next generation phase of the growth thought gaming publishers. Thank you so much, Crypto MacBook, for the wishes. Thank you so much, my dear. And thank you so much, Crypto Princess, for the beautiful comments. Amin, my dear. Thank you so much for the beautiful wishes. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So token name is Arcade Networks. Token symbol Arcade. Maximum supply 14.000.000.000. Token time ABR. Token ID is token distribution RIT, and unlocking rules I have already tell you, my dear friend. So this is a advisor, investors, investor, and the investor seed, strategic team, airdrops, and players innovative launching contributors. So Gate Lab investor disclosure does not invest Arcade Network. So notes Gate Lab GT in the unique exchange unit tokens and Gate exchange. So token active to the Gate change public chain hold GT now. So please complete identity verification before the participating in the startup to enhance the security of your accounts and the assets. Please complete the relevant rules, the events when participating and cheating behavior, instability and horse of the any decency will result in the disqualification of the words where any dispensary across between the transaction and the original version exit version that shall prevail. Get receivers all rights to the final expiration. User in the United Kingdom. Thank you so much. United Kingdom other residence location cannot access the service, including participation in the events and the government gaming competitions. So user agreements or the further details. Thank you so much, Crypto I and Crypto MacBook. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Thank you so much for risk warning. So last one is the holder airdrop project is a blockchain startup and the still in the still early stage. The project operation underlining technology and the legal environments may pose significant risk. The project is not guaranteed this not the token price will be not with the lower than inter sale price. Please invest in the caution and don't invest beyond the finance capacity. The holder airdrop project is the style entire stage projectors including the operations and underlying technology of the project and the other related equity activities might the contribute the significant advanced technology and finance technology knowledge to the acquired and understand and implement the interest risk of the crypto assets investment. The market valuation is high and the price of the token might be fluctuated. This also due to technical regulation and the market factors. So team Gate join now gateway to crypto. Get over 3.600 cryptocurrency safely and quickly. easily on gate. Take action now, stay connect and the transparency and the security. So दोस्तों आज का प्रोजेक्ट था मेरा गेट होल्डर ए ड्रॉप की तरफ से, गेट लाइव की तरफ से, आर्केड। तो जिसका मैंने ऑफिशियल पेज आपको दिखाया और इसको आप कलेक्ट कर सकते हैं जाके। इसकी मैंने ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट दिखाई है आपको। दिस इज़ अ ब्यूटीफुल वेबसाइट। सो बहुत शुक्रिया, ये था इसका वाइट पेपर। तो बहुत शुक्रिया आप सब दोस्तों का लाइव स्ट्रीम में आने का। क्रिप्टो आई, क्रिप्टो मैकबुक, क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस, शाइनिंग स्टार, हिबा, शाइनिंग मून, डिस्कवरी। सो कल होगी आपसे मुलाकात नए प्रोजेक्ट के साथ। सो सब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखें। Allah Hafiz. Thank you so much for all of you beautiful comments. Thank you so much my all dear friends. तो कल होगी आपसे मुलाकात। Allah Hafiz. God bless you all of you my dear friends. Goodbye and thank you so much again my dear for joining my live stream and beautiful comments. Thank you so much my dear again and again.